Welcome to Simplify Excel. In today's world, we have mountains of data. Wouldn't it be great if you could uncover the story behind the numbers on your own? In this channel, you'll discover how Excel is the best application for analyzing and editing spreadsheets, whether you're at work, at home, or anywhere in between. We'll show you how Excel automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern. Excel assists you in identifying trends and patterns using data bars, sparklines, color coding, and icons. Additionally, Excel helps you summarize and visualize your insights by suggesting pre-made pivot tables and charts. And in the end, you can share your work with others by saving it on the cloud. Learn to analyze the story behind the numbers and stay tuned to the Simplify Excel channel.